If I was a rich man, no need for money, I would be a full-time bricoleur. No cameras. And my current workshop 50.5, reflects this dream. You don't need a big workshop if it's thorough and organized. I got to vacuum out these drawers for this shoot. Just about every tool I need in this 50.5 by 45.25 by 98 inch space. This is my favorite part of the studio. It's my procrastination space. I love it. Charlie did the tabletop. Charlie is a designer at Apple now. Shallow shelves discourage stacking and allow one-handed operation. I'm finally solving the grip mat problem for my center console. A bricoleur fixes or makes stuff with whatever he finds lying around. The key to solving the grip mat problem is this wooden shim that holds it in place. Glue don't work. I keep the C-mount GoPro on the center console so I can get shots like this. For shots like this, I use the overhead shooting rig and this camera, which lives here with the lenses. The C-mount GoPro lives on the treasure wall. Magnet, magnet. Slide the map. Slide the map. Flat things that I make for the episodes I keep in boxes like this. I also keep some supplies in these boxes. All sorts of treasures in these boxes. This is my live stream setup. I light just about everything with these destroyer lamps. The plywood on top keeps the plastic milk crate from sagging and the holes in it so I can carry them around one-handed. Really big on one-handedness. I keep an extension cord in each milk crate. I make the extension cords from the leftovers of power strip cords that have been custom shortened and mounted all over the place. You can never have too many extension cords or rubber bands. Mail center and office supplies. Vintage toolboxes cost a fortune, but this one holds 2 reams of 8.5 inch by 11 inch paper. Dividing up this drawer took forever. I haven't gotten to the other one yet. I keep hard drives in this one. Smaller, but still cost a fortune. This is my writing and editing station, my battle station. Pens and papers and computer stuff, not very interesting. My favorite detail is this cooling fan my son and I made out of a piece of salvaged junk he found magnet fishing. I'm paranoid about SSD failure. This is the soundtrack to the video you're watching now. And thanks to our sponsor, Epidemic Sound, I get to tell you about how I score these videos. To me, music is like the sauce of a video. And with Epidemic Sound, I get about 50,000 tracks to choose from. And these are professional tracks by real artists. And there's also 200,000 sound effects. I pick out the track based on emotion, and I used a lot of happy in this video. Now, I don't know anything about how to make music, but Epidemic Sound breaks tracks into stems, which are the track's component parts, so I can sculpt my scores to sound exactly right. So I found a track with an ingredient that I wanted. So I took the instrument stem, there it was, and it worked perfectly. Epidemic Sound is restriction-free music, straightforward licensing, very fair. Click the link in the description for a free trial. Free trial don't get you the licensing, cheapskates. And thank you, Epidemic Sound, for sponsoring this episode. charging station, charging station, charging station, charging station, charging station, charging station. I commissioned Chris Schwar to make these backdrops, and I love them. Library, mini storage. I put the Snap-on stickers on these rolling chests to feel rich. I can't afford no Snap-ons. Paintbrushes, road atlases, tape, paint, snacks, filmmaking gear. My son's arts and crafts and snacks gear. Oh no, battery died! Ah! 39.29. I timed how long it took to cut these coat racks, and there's 22 coat hooks total in the studio. You can never have too many. Bathroom coffee station. Mop, broom, dustpan, coat hook. This is the recording studio where I do voiceovers and talking to the camera sometimes. I take a nap in here just about every day. Believe it or not, this job gets stressful. If I was a wealthy man, I'd be a bricoleur. There's a guy outside the studio right now with a chainsaw, and it's driving me bonkers. The treasure wall. For my son's birthday last year, we took an overnight train to El Paso and went to Wet n Wild. And he said to me, being a lifeguard would be the best job because you get to go to Wet n Wild every day. And I said to him, buddy, I have the best job. We're being paid to do this. And I gotta say thank you sometimes. Thank you for this studio, and thank you for this job. Join our Patreon team at $5 a month for exclusive access to archival videos with director's commentary and peer discussions and live streams answering your questions and comments, plus Patreon exclusive limited edition zines.